What's going on, everybody? My name is Jared from Debaroo.com, and today we are going to be talking about how to make $100 a day with Bing ads, and of course this is all about affiliate marketing. Because here at Debaroo and at the AFK forum, we are all about affiliate marketing. So this is going to be more of a high-level overview about how what it's going to take to get to $100 a day. If you want to see more of the technical aspect and how to actually set up the ads inside of the network, then I do have a video on my channel about that as well. You can just search for it. It's my other video about Bing ads. Alright, so we're going to hop right into this, but before we do, I just want to let you know that this video is made possible by the AFK forum. Alright, so let's hop right into these bullet points right here. So first, when we think about Bing ads, we always tend to compare it to Google ads. When we do that, one of the first things that come to mind is what is the traffic like? Is there enough traffic compared to another traffic source like Google? Is Google dominating this game, and is there any room for Bing ads to have any success? And sure, Google ads is huge. The platform, how many people are Googling something every single day, it's just a monumental number. But Bing ads is huge as well. And not only that, Bing is also growing every single year. So right now, Bing is anywhere from like 25 to 35% of all the searches that are happening across the internet. And it has also a growing number of users inside the United States. And these are great people that we want to be targeting inside of our ads because it's a tier 1 country and they have money to spend on our affiliate products. So when we ask, is there enough traffic? 100%, there's definitely enough traffic. You might have to throw in a bunch of keywords at first to make sure you're getting enough impressions. But if you're targeting a super big niche like weight loss or diabetes or anything huge like that, then you're going to be able to get the impressions. So as long as your ads look pretty good, then you'll get the clicks as well. Now when we're talking about Bing ads, we are talking about a PPC cost model, and what this means is pay per click. So you're only going to get charged every time that someone clicks on your ads. And this is opposed to a traffic source like Facebook, where they're going to charge you for every impression. So every time that someone sees your ad, you're going to get charged for that. And so if nobody clicks on your ads, then you're getting charged, and nobody's going to your landing pages and nobody's seeing your offer. So that's all different with Bing ads. And that can be a good thing or a bad thing. It's a good thing because you're only going to get charged when something good happens. When someone clicks through over to your landing page, then that's when you're going to get charged. And you know that this person already has a high amount of intent because they took that action. They decided to click on that ad. They could have easily just kept on scrolling or clicked on someone else's link, but they saw yours, they clicked on it, and they wanted to see more. So your ad copy enticed them over to your landing page or your offer. So that's really good for us because this person is now pretty much a hot lead, and there's going to be a way higher chance that they go on to convert with whatever action we want them to take. Really, the only downside to PPC is that if your ads suck, your ads are going to be shown everywhere. You might get the impressions, but if your ads suck, then you're not going to get any clicks. But this is true for other models as well, and at least in this model, you won't be charged. Another thing with PPC is that you can set your bid, and if you don't want to spend more than say 50 cents on a click, then you can do that. But you do have to play around with that a little bit to find the perfect range of where you're getting enough clicks and for a cheap enough cost that it's still profitable for you. Just a little tip, for most of my Bing ads, I'll set my cost per click somewhere around 50 cents, and that normally works out pretty well for me where I'm still getting the impressions and I can still get clicks over my offer. There are times when I might have to raise that, and there are also times when I can lower it as well if I'm seeing cheaper clicks, but around 50 cents is a good place to start. Alright, so where do we send these people after they click on our link? Well, one great thing about Bing ads is that you have no problems just direct linking people from an ad straight to an affiliate offer. This does not work for Google ads. And so that's one of the advantages that Bing has over Google, is you can just cut that middle step out. And if you don't think it's beneficial to your funnel to have a bridge page in between, then you don't have to have that at all, and you can just be sending them straight over to the offer. And what's really powerful about this is that you get way more views to the offer, and these offers are made so that they convert. They have split tested the crap out of them, so you know that these offers are supposed to convert. In theory, if you can get enough people over to the offer, then you should be able to get some conversions coming in. You don't have to worry about click-through rates on your landing page because there is no landing page. So it's essentially 100% of the people that click on your ad will see your affiliate offer. That being said, you don't have to do that. You don't have to direct link. You could also send them to a landing page where you maybe collect email leads. And I know a couple people who are doing this strategy where they send them straight from an ad to a landing page to collect emails, and it's working out really well for them. So they're getting a good amount of people opting into their list every single day. And of course this is helpful because we can remarket to these people, sending them emails as much as we would like. Another type of landing page that does really well is an advertorial, and I've seen these mostly used with weight loss offers. So pretty much you'll send them to a page after they click on your ad, maybe like 1,000 words to 2,000 words, somewhere in that range, and it'll be teasing at what the product is and kind of giving all the benefits of it and maybe showing case studies and testimonials of it, but without actually directly saying what the product is. And then within the advertorial, there'll be a bunch of links over to the affiliate offer. This works because it's warming up your audience and getting them ready to be in that buyer's mindset. In terms of targeting, you're going to be using keywords. And this is a little bit of a confusing topic at first, but once you do it a few times, it definitely gets a lot easier. So essentially what you have to do is you enter in a list of keywords that you want your ad to be shown whenever someone types that in. So if you're doing a weight loss offer and one of your keywords is, then whenever someone types that into Bing, then your ad can show on that search result. A good strategy is always to include a lot of keywords at first and then use a tracking tool such as volume to track which keywords are getting you the most sales, and then you can pretty much just turn everything else off and start scaling those ones that are profitable for you. If you don't have a tracking software, then pretty much what you have to do is you have to make a different ad for each keyword, but this is way more difficult, takes a lot more time, and it's just not nearly as efficient because you have to make all these different ads, and if you want to test out 30 different keywords, then you have to make 30 different ads, and it's just really not efficient. In order to make $100 a day, you definitely have to test out multiple things. You're not going to just throw up an ad and it's going to immediately make you $100 a day. But in order to test, a good strategy is use a few different ad copies. So when you make your first ad, you have to include the headlines and you have to include the description, and then you can also include site link extensions underneath them. So these are all clickable areas, and whenever they click on it, then they'll go over to your destination. You'd want to experiment with different copy for the headlines and the descriptions. Test out different angles. I would start with 3 to 4 of those and see which ones are getting you the highest click-through rate. And then of course another way to test is just by constantly adding in new keywords and tracking to see which ones are getting you the conversions. Once you have a good combination of ad copy and keywords, then there's really no limit to your success, and you can really scale to the moon after that. As long as you're getting enough impressions, of course. But that's essentially what you're trying to do, is you're trying to find the best ad copy possible that gets you the highest click-through rate, and you're trying to find the most profitable keywords. And if you can do that and combine them, then you will definitely have a profitable $100 a day Bing ad campaign. So that leads right into my verdict: is Bing ads worth it, and can you make $100 a day with Bing ads? Answer is 100%. I encourage you to check out my Bing ads and Clickbank video. So I pretty much was just setting up a Bing ads campaign for a Clickbank product, and what's funny is I set that up and I did it really quickly just so I could get the video. It probably took me 10 to 15 minutes to actually set that campaign up. It definitely wasn't the best ad copy or anything like that, and it was just a direct link campaign. And anyways, I meant to turn it off right afterwards because I definitely didn't want it to run because it wasn't my best work, but I forgot to turn it off. What happened though is I spent about $1.50 and I made a $27 sale. So this shows you that you don't even have to be perfect. You want to just get something up there, start testing it, and you'll always have the potential to make sales with Bing ads. So definitely watch that video and get some practical inspiration. And this is more of the theoretical, high level. Can you make $100 a day with Bing ads? And the answer is absolutely 100% yes. There are people absolutely destroying it with Bing ads. And personally, I like it a lot better than Google ads. Alrighty, so that's going to do it for this video. Thank you a ton for watching, and I hope you learned something valuable from this video. Once again, I just wanted to let you know that this video is made possible by the AFK forum.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.